Help our community by securely storing and monitoring all medications and properly disposing of your unused or expired medications. This helps prevent accidental poisonings, prevents abuse by others, and protects the environment. Proper disposal usually means discarding the medication by mixing it with an undesirable substance like salt water or kitty litter and throwing it away with your regular trash. Do not put them down the sink or flush them. During Substance Abuse Awareness Week from October 10th through the 14th, you may also drop off unused or expired medications at any Fairfax County police station. Disposal is free, convenient, and confidential. No needles or pressurized canisters will be accepted. The Fairfax Falls Church Community Services Board would like to thank our partners for their support.